Hello and welcome to Suresh Agarwal's Reasoning Mantra. In this video, I have brought analogy questions based on alphabet analogy, which are a very important part of all competitive exams where verbal reasoning forms a part of the syllabus. And for these type of questions, it's important that you have a proper knowledge of the positions of the alphabets in the English alphabet series. Like for the letter A, its position is number 1 if you start from the beginning, and if you start from the end it will be at position number 26. So both forward as well as reverse uh, knowledge of the positions of the individual alphabets is a must for attempting this type of questions in the competitive exams. Let us have a look at the first question for better understanding. So you can see that there's a relation given to you between mouse and KPSTC. So we have to first identify what is the exact relation, or in what pattern. You have to observe the pattern involved here. So let us write this here so that we can actually see what trend is being followed. So if we compare mouse with KPSTC, I find that if I go back by 2 letters, it means K. That means if you read ABCD from the beginning, KLM, that means there's a letter L missing here. Then similarly O and P, LMNOP, QRST, so these are direct. Then if you look at this PQRSTU, so there's -2 here because T is being skipped. Similarly C, D and E, again 2 letters missing here. So if we, this is +1. So if you follow the same pattern for light, what do we get? LIGHT. So 2 positions behind L, what should be there? JKL, it should be J. Then after I, what do we have? After I we have J. Then this is again -2, then +1, then again -2. What do we get? EFG, it should be E. Then again I add, what is the next letter after H? HI. Then again -2, 2 letters behind T, that should be R because RST, right? So JJEIR, this should be our answer here, and yes, it is the correct answer. So the correct answer here is option number C. In the second question, we have been given a relation EIGK and EACY. For finding this relation, we need to have the alphabet in front of us. So this is the alphabet, English alphabet. So if you look at this closely, the first letters are the same. We have E here and E here. That means if we have an R here, it should be R here as well. Now let us study the second alphabet. The second alphabet here is I. So this is the second alphabet here, I. I'll put a mark on I over here as well so that this color is not visible. So let me change the color here so that it becomes clearly visible to everyone who's watching this video. So this is better. Okay, so this is the letter I, and on the other hand we have A here because we are comparing this I with this A, the second letter of this word and the second letter of this word. So we find how many letters are there in between? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So if you look at this, we have a V here at the second place. So we have a V here. Let's count 7 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. What do we get? We get an N here. So the second letter would be N. So that is quite enough to give us the answer. It seems to be option B here, but still for the sake of confirming, we'll still go with the third. We have G here and a C here. So this is the letter G. I'll put it in a box, and this is the letter C. So there are 3 places in between D, E, F. Similarly for T here, this is the letter T, and we move 3 places to the left, 1, 2, 3, and what do we get? We get a P here. And yes, We have a P in the option B. And the last one is K and Y. So where is K in the alphabet? Let us check with K and Y. How many places in between? So if this is K and this is Y, how many letters do we have in between? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So similarly, if we count from Y, again it's Y, so obviously it has to be the same number of letters. We add 14 and that will come up to M, and this gives us our answer, that is option B is the correct answer. So this type of questions, it requires practice. If you have practice, if you have enough of practice, you'll be able to do this counting very quickly, and that will help you save time during the exam. Let us have a look at one more question of the same type. So in this, you have been given one analogous pair, that is CEH and IKN, and you have to find a similar pair from the given options. Now again, we need the English alphabet here as well. So this is our alphabet. So let us have a look at the first letter, that is C, which is substituted by I. So if I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters in between, then the second is E and K corresponding. I'm picking up corresponding letters E and K like this. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So okay, there's a difference of 5 here, there's a difference of 5 here. Then H and N. Let's start with H. So this is H and here we have N. So how many letters in between? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. Okay, so this seems to be quite symmetrical. And we have 5 letters, and then the next letter gives us the corresponding answer. So we'll be checking with all the 4 options here. And let's check with option A and F. Starting with A. Do we have 5 letters in between? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, because if you look at F, it will be just 1, 2, 3, 4 letters in between, so option A is ruled out. Let us now check with option B. I'll pick up a different color so that the things, they don't get messed up, or I can also use the eraser here to clear the things so that we can check it nicely all over again, because now we know the difference is of 5 and the difference needs to be of 5 only. So let us check for the second option, C and I. We have a C here and we have an I here. How many letters in between? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this satisfies the condition. Then D and J. So this is D and this is J. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh yes, it is satisfying the condition here as well. Now F and K. So this is F and this is K. How many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the condition is not being satisfied, because between F and K we don't have 5 letters, we have just 4 letters. Let us now check with option C. Again, I need to clear my screen so that the things are easily visible and not messed up. Okay, now let us check for E and K. So this is E and this is K. How many letters do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this satisfies the condition. Then we have F and M. So this is F and this is M. How many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 6. It should be 5. It's 6. So this possibility is again ruled out. Now we are left with just one more possibility, and I hope that this one satisfies the condition, and it should, because this is the only option that we are left with. Let's check between O and U. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there's a gap of 5. Now let us check between Q and W. So we have a Q here and we have a W here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it is 5 here. Then between T and Z. So this is T and this is Z. How many letters do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yes, option D will be our correct answer. So I hope you found this video useful. If yes, do subscribe to our channel and also share this with your friends. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications for more such upcoming interesting reasoning based videos which will help you prepare well for your competitive exams. Also hit the like button if you found this useful, and also share your comments in the comment section.